Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new video. And today we have a new update, and honestly, one of the ex- best surprise we have had in a long time. I don't think anyone expected those photos, which make this moment even more special. So we can say that today Army got the best surprise, and the photo which make this moment even more special. So we can say that today Army got the best surprise ever, and those photos were posted by a bodybuilder who shared picture of V working out, and he also shared a photo of Jungkook and V together working out. And since that they are training together, it's clear that they are on vacation. It was really good to see today update, and I really hope they will get some rest. V really looks breathtaking, and all his photos are absolutely stunning. And as you can see, her reality mean what he said during his last live on viewers with the member when he mentioned that he would gain weight and build muscle, and he actually did it, and he kept his promise. He is looking so cool. And चल हूँ केड़ा आ गया पता नहीं and built muscle, and he's become even more captivating than before. And of course, it's so heartwarming to see Jungkook. It's been a while since we got an update like this from him, and as you can see, he's wearing a mask. But that okay, just seeing him healthy and doing well, it's more than enough. It was really good to see him today, and I was so happy to see this photo of Jungkook. And the best part is that there is not much left before he returned, and we will get to see him without the mask again. Finally, I truly did not expect an update like this. I'm so happy, and all army are talking about today update, talking about the photo of Veed and Jungkook. Both of them looked absolutely breathtaking, like seriously, and they left us speechless. And the photo made everyone so happy. And when it comes to V, I feel like even if I talk about him for art, it would never be enough. He has truly become breathtaking. He's looking so handsome and healthy. His body has changed a lot, and he say, and the way he looks now is honestly shocking in the best way. He's clearly been working on himself physically, and his body looks so strong and healthier and more built than ever, and you can see the difference right away. He's looking so amazing and definitely breathtaking, and I'm really so curious. So tell me, what was your reaction when you saw V's photo and also Jungkook and we picture together, and tell us what was the first thing that came to your mind when you saw today update. Actually, a lot of army thought that the picture was not real, and actually it took some time to confirm if the photo was real. A lot of army were asking where the picture came from, and honestly, from the very first look, you can tell, and it's really obvious that the photos are real. But I totally understand the armies who thought at first the photo is not real. And as you know, everyone, AI Doomsday has become scary, literally very scary. And if you don't know, this week a video went viral, and it spread so much on TikTok and also on the Twitter, and I think you have seen it before. Those are the picture from the video, and everyone was saying it was real, and everyone was so happy that we finally got an update for Sugar. But in the end, this video is not real. Someone edited this video, and it made it look so real. That made everyone so happy. Actually, everyone was so happy that we finally got on date for Suga. But when you focus and when you look so many times, you will know that the photo are not real, and the video also is not real. That's why, guys, you should be careful in the coming days and not be believe anything you see, because it's possible to create fake email for the member, and that's very bad. So should be careful and not to believe anything unless you are sure it's real. And to be honest with you guys, this video about Sugar really made me feel sad when I found out and it was not real. I remember I saw it on TikTok first, and the person who posted this video said with confidence that this is Suga. He did not put a question mark. So if you saw the video, you will think that you're really sure, and this is definitely Suga. So of course I got excited, and I was like, wow, finally after all these months we got an update about Suga. Then when I focused more and I rewatching the video, I realized that it was not real, and I saw so many fan account and armies pages talking about the video, and they were like telling everybody to be careful and the video is fake and should not be shared. But I feel like this video was a lesson for all of us, so please guys, be careful. Not everything you see online is true, and sometimes we got our hopes up for nothing. It's a better to wait for an official update rather than believe rumor or fake video. So let's stay patient, and BTS are coming very soon. There is not much left, and this is literally the best thing ever. So Suga is coming, V and Jungkook, Jimin and RM are all coming back. So yeah, so be ready everyone, be excited and stay tuned because BTS are finally coming back. And yeah, I guess that was for today update, and I really hope you like it so well. And tell us guys what you think about John Jungkook and V photo, and what you think about V photo. V is looking really breathtaking. I wish if we got a picture of Jeon Jungkook without his mask, but that okay, about a month and we will see his face and everything. So yeah, let's be excited guys. And everyone, we have came to the end of today update, and I really hope you like it. So tell us guys in the comments what you think and share opinion with us. And if you like today update, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel so that you are going to see every single video then I posted about BTS member. I guess see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Have a nice time. Goodbye.